Hot or not? We're here today to ask some engineers some fun questions. They write the most efficient code, but they leave zero comments or documentation.
Not. Onboarding a new person becomes harder.
Not hot. That's actually not cool.
Not at all. Nope. Don't do that.
They're fantastic with documentation, but they over-document every single line of code, making it hard to read.
So not hot. Precise documentation is the best.
It's hot. Document everything. It's the best.
Not, because sometimes you have to go through so much documentation, makes it tough.
Hot or not, they are excellent mentors and love sharing knowledge, but they prefer monologues over conversations in meetings.
No, so no. We need more conversations.
Nope. Knowledge is power, but you gotta let the other person talk too.
Not.
Hot, there's a lot of knowledge to be gained.
They follow all the agile ceremonies religiously, but they use Jira as a personal to-do list and overload it with non-relevant tasks.
Nope. Use like Apple Notes or something else for your to-do tasks. Come on, guys.
So not hot. Jiras are important, but not so much.
Hot could at least they're still organized.
No, big no, big no.
They're big on collaboration and pair programming, but they take over the keyboard 90% of the time.
Still hot because they're good at what they do.
So not hot. Keyboard noise, it's just disturbing.
Not. You gotta share.
No, keyboards are so noisy, it's actually very irritating.
They're amazing at code refactoring, but they do it right in the middle of a critical sprint.
Hot sometimes when you're the project lead, else not. Priorities are priorities. First get that sorted, then we can maybe do refactoring later.
Not every PM in the world will say not. Please hit the deadline. We don't want to slip.